I have no idea why I'm sitting right next to my desk right now, just like to, you know, change things up a little bit, and that's what we're doing today. Anyway, I'm Valerie, welcome to Viva La Valerie, and today we're doing my first ever full day of eating what I eat in a day shenanigans. My window's broken and I just realized that. Anyway, it's Saturday. I actually eat really weird during the week. My like times of eating are really off because I eat at work and I work midnight to 8 a.m. so I can't really like show you that. But I figured it's my day off. I love food. I'm about to go to the farmer's market and grab some fresh produce. So I'll take y'all with me there. And I'm gonna go make some breakfast right now. I got up at 7:30 right now. It is 9:21 a.m. Anyway, I'm about to go downstairs and make some oatmeal. And we'll see what I eat in the day. And I might have a treat today because treat yourself. And I eat pretty 80-20, so I eat very, very healthy 80% of the time. I am vegan right now. I was a pescatarian for a while, I was a vegetarian for a while, I've been vegan before, but I'm just having so many dietary issues lately. TMI, but you know. And so I'm just trying to figure out what works for me. So this is a what I eat in a day as a vegan, and also the longest intro ever, and let's go make breakfast. For this recipe, you'll need a plant-based milk of your choice, some oats, your nut butter of choice. I chose almond butter, cinnamon, or any spices, some chia seed, and some cocoa powder or cacao powder, and maple syrup or a sweetener of your choice, and a banana. Alright, so first I started out by just measuring out 1 cup of almond milk, and then I also added half a cup of oats into the pot, and I just let that simmer over medium heat. And you also just saw me chopping up my banana. And here I am adding about 2 tablespoons of baking cocoa or cacao powder or cocoa powder. I don't know, I just stir that up on in there and get it nice and good and integrated. Yeah, we're just stirring. And then I'm trying to add in the bananas all pretty, and here I'm scooping in 1 tablespoon of almond butter, but you can use peanut butter or cashew butter or no butters, but I like this because it's like a chocolatey peanut butter sort of goodness. And then sprinkling on some chia seeds, you can use flaxseed or whatever you like, and a little bit of maple syrup for extra sweetness. And then there is my breakfast. I'm gonna get a bite with a little bit of everything. A little banana, a little syrup. My sweet tooth is so satisfied. I'm gonna eat this. I also did not mention I like to keep a cute turbis with like, I like this one, this is my favorite one. I like to keep a cute turbis with my metal straw and drink water with lemon, and I try to drink one of these before I head out the door and take it with me, and it feels so cute, so I don't mind drinking all my water all day. So I'm gonna eat this and see you soon. I just got to the farmer's market and it's raining a little bit on and off, so I'm not comfortable bringing my camera and my camera bag in, and it's pretty crowded, so I'm just gonna go in, get what I need to, and then I'll show you guys what I get. I'm also kind of embarrassed about recording in the middle of a farmer's market, but that's just me. So I'll get what I can and then I will show you guys, but I will be right back. Just got back from the market and it's kind of still raining off and on, and there was this little flower stand that was doing like $2 flower cups. I wish they were in like mason jars or something, but then it probably wouldn't have been $2. But I got this little $2 cup and I was like, I have to buy the one that speaks to me, and this one spoke to me. I thought it was so cute. I spent like $25 on produce and I didn't get a lot, but it's all really fresh, so I'm excited about it. What I'm most excited about, these raspberries were $5 for the carton, but like, look at how beautiful they are. Beautiful raspberries. This one just fell on my lap. Oh my gosh. I know I should wash these, but we're building an immune system, it's fine. And I also got in another bag, and this is just so they wouldn't fly everywhere. I got, okay, I've never really seen this before, and maybe that's because I've been buying like GMO'd peppers. GMO'd, that's a verb. But I got these peppers that were red peppers, but they're half red, half green. And I was just like, I wonder how these will taste. So I'm excited to cook with these. And then I like cherry, I think these are like cherry tomatoes. I don't know if these are cherry or grape, but I like this not super tiny ones because I like to cut them into like fourths. But I got a little bucket of tomatoes. Oh, I really stocked up on the fruit. I got a carton of blueberries and a carton of strawberries. That is what I got at the farmer's market. I'm excited to cook and maybe have a lovely fruit bowl later. So we'll see where the day takes us. Okay, so I just went to Starbucks. I thought I would let you guys know what I got today. I got a grande iced Americano with 1 shot of the toffee nut syrup, almond milk, and I made sure they gave me a nitro lid because I didn't bring my reusable straws. I'm gonna go home, make some lunch. It's 12:20 right now. It'll be like 12:30 by the time I get home and like 1 o'clock by the time I eat lunch. I have snacked a little bit on those really good raspberries, but other than that, I'm kind of hungry. And I think I'm getting my period because I just really want junk food and I really want like pizza or like a really fatty wrap. Like I'm just like craving junk food, but we're gonna try to persevere and work against it. Maybe make some homemade french fries. I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I'll see you then. I just got home. Not gonna lie, I've been munching on this popcorn. It's organic though. So, if you watched my Charleston vlog, you know that I love this place called Del's Uptown. And it's taking everything in me to not go drive downtown and get a vegan chicken bacon ranch. A vegan chicken bacon wrap because it's so good and they do great. So maybe that will be my treat for dinner. I'm snacking on this popcorn, trying to be like, what do I eat? Maybe I'll just eat this popcorn. No, I'm just kidding. So I think I'm gonna make a wrap because I'm craving the wrap from Del's, and I'll make like a healthy veggie wrap. So let's do that. I also have a little square of dark chocolate. I bought this dark chocolate bar the other day, and I always just keep these in my fridge because I love dark chocolate, and I'll just like have like probably like a little bit less than this much if I'm craving some chocolate, and it might add up, but I'd rather let myself have the chocolate than like binge on a whole chocolate bar rather than restricting myself. And clearly I like chocolate, so let's get cooking. I'm not 100% sure what I'm making yet, but I know I want to make some sort of wrap. So I have these wheat tortillas, and I think I'm gonna make some sort of like tempeh BLT type wrap, like not BLT because it's tempeh bacon. So like a TLTA kind of wrap maybe, and with some hummus. And then I'm just gonna saute some asparagus and a pepper together for some side veg. And yeah, let's just like go with it and get crack-a-lackin'. So first I just started heating up some oil in my pan over medium heat, and now I'm just chopping up some asparagus and a red bell pepper. You can use any veggies of your choice. These are my favorite, just for a little side veggie. You gotta get your nutrition in there, and then I'm just tossing that in the pan and stirring it around. And now we're gonna go over to the wrap. So I'm spreading some roasted red pepper hummus all over my tortilla, and then adding some spinach to the bottom of it, along with some freshly chopped tomatoes that you saw me get earlier. I'm so excited to try these. And now I am just scoring some avocado and scooping that onto the wrap. I used about 1/4 of the avocado. And then I'm adding some cilantro, some pepper, and salt. You can see I love my spices, doing the same thing to the veggies, just adding some salt and pepper and trying to get those some nice char marks. And now I added the tempeh to the pan after I took the veggies out. And I add salt, pepper, and garlic along with some smoked paprika to the tempeh, and this adds a really nice smoky flavor on top of this sugar-free yummy hickory barbecue sauce. And I'm just trying to get it, this is me getting all the tempeh into one side of the pan, and I coat that pretty nicely with some sriracha to give it a little extra zest and tang. And that comes out, and we flip and flop, and there it is, boom! And now I'm wrapping up my wrap like a burrito, because look at me, I'm like a Chipotle artist. And oh yeah, that looks so good. Why am I doing a voiceover? Who let me do this? This looks bomb. And I'll try a little bite for you, but I'm a chef. So yeah, this is pretty good. Let's try the asparagus. I'm really weird and I could eat like a whole bowl of asparagus. I love asparagus, but this is really good. I'm gonna sit in front of the TV and watch some TV. And yeah, I'm gonna watch some Netflix and eat this. So I'll see you at dinner. Okay, quick change of plans. Turns out I actually have a life and I'm about to go get drinks with some friends. It is 6:24 right now, so I'll probably have a late dinner when I get back. So sorry, but socializing calls. See you soon. Maybe tipsy. I'm back. So I went out and I drank and I had like 2 vodka sodas with a splash of crayons, my go-to drink. You can honestly see my food baby from what I just ate, but I had some tater tots at the restaurant that we went to. They were fried, it was like a little basket, but I had like maybe like a handful of them and they were really good with some ketchup. And then I was tipsy and I thought we were gonna go out after, and I was like, we need to go to Taco Bell. And so we went to Taco Bell and I got a veggie power burrito, but I made it vegan by getting no sour cream, no cheese, and no avocado ranch, and added potatoes to it. But they didn't give me any guac in it, so it was like kind of lame. So I had that with some cinnamon twists, and I had to get cinnamon twists. But that made me feel really bloated and yucky, so now I just have this like giant bowl of fruit that I'm gonna eat while I'm in bed. There's some cut up strawberries, some kiwi, some blues, some raspberries, cherries, and prunes, and I just wanted some fiber. I just realized I wasn't in that whole frame, but it's okay. I just really wanted some fiber. I might not even eat this whole thing. Okay, I don't know if there was kiwi. I'm a little tipsy, but I have some water, so I'm just trying to digest all the crap I just ate, and I'm gonna go to bed, eat this in bed, watch Miss View, have myself a night. That's a full day of eating for me. I don't really eat Taco Bell that often. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys that. I don't really go out drinking that often, but since I don't, I was like, you know what, Val? Have a night. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to digest and eat this and hope my tummy forgives me, and tomorrow's a new day. Give me this whole bowl of fruit. I love fruit. Good night. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you like fruit too, and if you want to see what I eat in a day when I work the night shift, because that is more difficult for me. So peaches and cream, guys. Love you. Bye.